Hello friends, in this lecture we will use surface contour area with some more option we will see. So the workpiece I have already defined. See, this is my blank and the part, and I have already done a cavity mill operation for roughing, and the tool is this. Now I am going to use contour surface area, and for that I am going to define a tool, and I am using a ball mill. Okay, and my ball mill is a little bit smaller. Okay, it will work, or we can do one thing, just cancel it, and we will define, I will define my own. So ball mill, this is tool, and tool number, and if you want to add holder, so go to holder and retrieve holder from the library. So we have so many holder, you can select anyone you want. So most of the time I use this 6 one. Okay, and click here, and for the drive surface, I have already created a surface. So go to this part navigator, and here this is my surface. Okay, so this time I have different part and different drive geometry. So this surface is a drive geometry. So how to use this? Let's see. This is the operation, and my tool is this, and under this workpiece I'm going to use this is finishing operation. Now select this, add it, and my drive geometry is this surface is my drive geometry. Okay, and here my cut direction is this one, and just increase this step over. Okay, and just calculate. This drive geometry is creating a projection of tool path over this surface. Okay, we can use this kind of part and surface in variable axis also, but there it will work in variable axis, and here it is in fixed direction. See, the tool axis will remain same. Okay, from this direction, from y direction, it is in same direction. Again, see this, tool axis is stationary, tool axis is not moving anywhere. Okay, again go to this geometry, and this time my part is already defined and I want to define the cut area. So this is my cut area. Okay, and generate. Result is still same. So under strategy I am going to add this 2 and increment as zero point 0.5 and generate. Oops, because this part is in imperial unit, that's why. So my stock is zero point 0.2, and I'm going to use this passes, number of passes as 4. See this. So if we are using part and surface cut area, if I define both of these two things, then only I can able to add multiple pass. Okay, that's clear. Again, from the main offset, okay, offset we will see in offset we have already seen, okay, and here direction, and the from more it is the tolerance only, so no problem, okay. And from the tool axis, my tool axis is z direction, and projection vector is also in z direction, okay. So this is the surface area contour.